Hello everyone. So today I will be showing you how to keep a specific window always on top. Okay, so Windows does not have this feature, so we will be installing this tool by Microsoft PowerToy. So just access this link. I will put it in the description below. We just install the software I have already installed. As soon as you finish installing it, you just open it. Okay, why is this is in French? Let's switch it to English. Okay, now we go to Windows and Layouts. We choose Always on Top, and in here it will give us like a shortcut. You can change it to however you want. I will just keep it as it is. So basically, you just click Windows button, Control, and then T. You will get this blue box. This means that the windows will always be on top. So if you see, I can do everything. I can click anywhere and it will always display on top. If you want to remove it, you just do the same Windows key, Control and T, and it will be removed. Thank you, everyone.